Hey guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Today I have a big announcement to make, which is super big actually. I have actually changed my channel logo to a different one because the other one wasn't very original, so I changed it to this. So I'll just fix a few things up and I will be back. So I fixed up a few things, so now we can start on our tutorial about the list blocks. So let's make a list. Let's name it my list. And for all sprites, or for this sprite only, I'll actually choose for all sprites. So you can click my list, this checkbox, to open or close your list, and you can use this as an input. And here you can click the plus sign to add something new to your list and name it, and you can resize it. So I'll just make it small. So first you have add thing to my list. So what this does is you can add subscribe to my list, and boom, and let's see what our variable is. Actually, let's turn both of these on so we know. Okay, so let's add 1 million to our list. Or you can just type something and say my list, add my video. So what that does is it basically adds whatever input you put into your list. But there's an easier way of doing that by just pressing this plus sign. You can choose which list you want. And let's get this out. And you can delete one or all of your lists. So let's just say I have 20 items in my list. You can delete one of your item, as you can see it's getting shorter, or you can delete 10 of the items. Let's see. Whoa, so what? Okay, so I figured it out. What this is doing is it doesn't delete the amount you want, it deletes the number you want. Or let's see something. Let's do name. Delete name of my list. Let's see. Well, you can only put numbers, so you can say delete number 9 of my list. So it deletes number 9. Delete number 8 of my list. Deletes number 8. There's a new number 8 now. Delete number 6 of my list. And I keep on deleting, but there's no more 6 left, so you can't delete. So that's basically what it does. I want to delete every single one of my list. Okay, so delete all of my list. What this does is it basically deletes every single thing that you have in your list. Next, it says insert this item at number of my list. So let's say I have a ton of numbers, but I want my thing to be at number 2. So I can say those, insert those at number 2. You can put inputs in here, and it immediately puts it at 2, but there's an easier way of doing this. Just click on it and you can type it. So let's just get rid of all of these. Then we have the replace item of my list with your input. So let's say, my chair. So let's say replace item 2 of my list with fixed. So what this does is it replaces the item you have in there with this. Okay, so next we have the inputs and the Booleans. So this one, it just says, yeah. Let me show you what you can do with this. Grab an equal sign, item of my list equals fixed. What this will say is false, because number 1 isn't fixed, but number 2, it's true. So you can make like if number 2 of my list equals fixed, then do this. Okay, so item hash of thing in my list. Okay, so what this does is it checks which number your item is in. So let's say you have a ton of stuff, and in number 15 you inserted hello. Now you have a ton of stuff over that. You don't know where your hello is, and you don't want to go scrolling through all that, so you just type item hello, item number of hello in my list. So this tells you the number, like this number of the item hello in your list. And it says 15, so you can be like, oh yeah, I remember now. So that's that. Then length of my list, it's super simple. You just click it and it just shows you the length of your list. Then this one, it's a Boolean. You can put it in here, the if statement. If my list contains thing, then play sound meow until done. And let's add multiple things, and for here I'll just do blah. So my list contains thing. Nope, doesn't contain thing yet, but if I do thing here, yep, it works. So that's basically what that Boolean does. Oh, and by the way, the list section doesn't have its own section here. It's under the variables section. So wait, something fell. I'll fix that and I'll be back. Okay, so this one is also like the variable section. It's super simple. It's the show list or hide list block. It's super simple. All you do is, if you want your list to show, click this. If you don't want it to show, if you want to hide, then just click this. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today's tutorial. That was a short tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Next, we'll be go over the my blocks, then the operators. Then we'll be going over the extensions. But for the extensions, we have to get to 4 likes. But for me to continue the series, we just need 2 likes. If you want me to do some dash and dot, please get this video to, let me see, 6 likes. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Scratch Tutorials. Peace.